What's up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing, joining the Britty team. Today I'm excited to bring to you a jewelry subscription box that I'm trying out called Rocksbox. I just got it in the mail and I'm here to unveil it on camera with you. And it comes in this beautiful little package. I actually found out about Rocksbox through a sponsored ad on Instagram, and I'm always curious about subscription boxes, so I clicked on the link when I saw it, and I liked the jewelry that I saw, and they were offering the first month free if you sign up, just so you can try it. I said, okay, so I get to try jewelry for free for 30 days? Yeah. And so I signed up for it. I did have to put my credit card down just so they can have somewhere to bill me if I was to say keep their jewelry, if I liked the piece and actually wanted to keep it. So the subscription for Rocksbox is $21 a month, but of course the first month is free. Jewelry for free? I'm in that thing. So you have the option to either keep the jewelry or to just wear the jewelry within the 30 days and then return it for them to send you new pieces that you can try out. So either you can keep the service and continue to pay the $21 and just keep trying new jewelry, and every time you show up, you're always laced in new jewelry. You can continuously purchase the products that they send you. My thought is that I would just try it for 30 days and return it. Cancel the service so that I'm not charged. Because hey, it was just a trial anyway. But let's see if we like it. So it's time to unbox this baby. It comes in this package, and you actually need to keep this package so that you can return the jewelry when you're done. And my first impression of it is that it's really cute. I'm going to go ahead and pull out this cute little peachy pink bow, and we're just going to flip that back. Open it up. When you first open it up, this is what you see. It's got a little R for Rocksbox at the top in a rosy gold. Then it's got an R care card in a mauve type color. This is the jewelry care card. It says, we strive to provide you with the highest quality pieces that with proper care will endure the test of time to ensure the longevity of your jewelry. Please, number 1, avoid contact with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Number 2, take jewelry off when showering, exercising, cleaning, etc. Number 3, use the soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. XO Rocksbox. So they're just kind of telling you how they would like for you to treat the jewelry if you're going to be returning the jewelry to them. Then the next thing is a Ready Set Sparkle booklet. Oh, and it's personalized. It's got the R and it says, hi Brittany, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. Dainty and delicate, the Sophie Harper rose gold bar necklace styles with any neckline, thanks to the varying links. I love it with an upscale look, as much as a casual tee on the weekend. This Sophie Harper Pave X ring has a classic shape that looks great with all other small delicate pieces. Topaz Pave adds a warm glow, while the Crystal Pave adds a nice highlight to these tiny arrow studs from Sophie Harper. They're great everyday studs. Enjoy. Sherry or cherry. I'm gonna go ahead and think that that says Sherry, even though it's spelled like cherry. Sherry is the stylist who selected my pieces. When you sign up, you basically go through their catalog of pieces and you favorite what you like. You set up your profile and it has you select the type of pieces that you like, from earrings to necklaces to bracelets. Then you go through their catalog of jewelry and you favorite your favorite pieces. You can even select your top favorites, so when your stylist gets ready to select your pieces, they have something to go off of. In my case, they chose certain pieces for me and they sent it to me for my approval to see if I was okay with the pieces that they were sending me. And if I wasn't, then I can change it. And I actually did want to change it. So I added different pieces to my top phase, and then the stylist went back in and reselected the pieces that they were going to send me according to my top phase. So I wasn't quite sure of what they sent me until I saw this card, because inside of the card, it tells you your set and it gives you the prices of each piece so that you can know what you're going to spend if you want to keep each piece. And their policy is, if you love it, buy it. You can enjoy for as long as you'd like. If you don't want to part with something, you purchase your set at rocksbox.com/rate. And so they actually have a member price. So I'm assuming that if you go on their website and you want to purchase a piece, you can if you're not a member, but you're going to pay a higher price. That's just what I'm assuming based off the fact that they have the member prices listed. What happens next? You rock your stylist kicks, you wear your pieces for as long as you'd like, you buy what you love, you purchase your faves with your $21 membership credit. The $21 that you pay per month is actually credited to your account, and that money goes towards any purchases that you want to make. And then you send back for more. So you'll use the prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So it's just that simple. And then they include a card that says, so you can visit rocksbox.com/holiday, and they have a mystery gift card. You can win up to $100. They give you a code, and you enter the code to redeem your gift at this website. And the credit will be immediately added to your account upon redemption. The next thing they include is a booklet that says, welcome to the Rocksbox family. And again, it gives you further information on how the program works. Your first box, you hand select by your personal stylist. The jewelry is yours to wear for as long as you'd like. How long should you keep it? That's up to you. Return your set whenever you are ready to switch it up. You're billed monthly, and you can try new boxes as often as you want. The member tip is to update your wish list once a month with the latest trends that you want to try. They add new styles weekly. As far as purchasing a piece, if you love it, you buy it. So every month you'll be charged a $21 monthly credit that can be used towards purchasing something from your set. If you love all three, you receive an additional $10 off when you buy your entire set. So you can complete your purchase at the website. The $21 monthly credit is available from the first to the last day of every month. The credit is automatically applied towards purchases from your set. Regarding returning your set, if you're ready to switch it up, you place the pieces you don't wish to purchase in your Rocksbox and reusable bubble mailer. You apply the enclosed prepaid shipping label, and you can drop it in any mailbox. Once it's headed back to them, they'll start working on the next set. So you have to hang on to the prepaid label. They have a Rocksbox promise, which is their quality guaranteed. Each piece is hand inspected and cleaned before it's sent to you. Plus, all the pieces purchased from your set have a 6-month damage guarantee. And if you have any questions, you can chat them or you can call them. So now that we're through all the formals, let's jump into the pieces. So it has this beautiful rose gold, white, and peachy pink wrapping paper with a sticker that says XOXO. I love this packaging. So inside there's 3 bags. This is the top bag, and it has their logo there. It's gray with the peachy pink drawstrings, and then they have 2 black bags. So they sent me 3 pieces, each piece in its own bag. Into the first bag, which is the Rocksbox bag. And these are the earrings. These are Sophie Harper, really tiny, beautiful stud arrow earrings. These are actually earrings that I favorited on my list. On the second bag, we have a beautiful ring that I selected as well in my top favorites. And this is a beautiful rose gold X ring. And the last piece, yep, this is gonna be my favorite right here. This is a beautiful rose gold bar necklace. First of all, I love rose gold. It is my favorite. But you guys already know this. So here's the necklace. It's so beautiful, and I can't wait to try these pieces on. So this is me in the pieces. These are the earrings, and I really like these earrings because they are gold, they're arrows, and they have beautiful little stones in. This is the ring. I really love this ring. It is a rose gold X that has beautiful stones in it as well. And this is the necklace. It's got a beautiful bar. It's just plain rose gold, the rest of the necklace here. All three of them are really beautiful pieces. I think the earrings and the necklace are more me than anything. The ring, I love it, but I don't really wear a lot of rings. When I was younger, I wore a sterling silver ring on every single finger. That was my style. But since I've been older, I really don't like the clutter of different rings on my finger. The most I like is my wedding ring and one stacked look of another ring. So I might do a ring every once in a while in addition to my wedding ring, but most of the time I won't do any other rings. The earrings are definitely me. I love studs. Every now and then you'll see me wear some dangly earrings, but I don't really like filling things against my neck. I get really weird with that sometimes. So I don't really do very long or very big earrings often as I used to when I was younger, because I really used to rock big and dangly earrings all the time. But now that I'm older, I like more of a stud look. I have 2 holes in each ear, so I keep studs in all 4 holes. So I really like studs. However, the necklace, more so than anything, I love a layered necklace, and so this is definitely my favorite piece. It has these beautiful bars and it's rose gold, so it just touches my heart. So this necklace is actually $55. The ring is $51. The earrings are $34. So my thoughts on the jewelry, it's very beautiful. The quality is very nice. I like the idea of being able to switch out the pieces. So if you're a big jewelry wearer, I would actually recommend the program. It's $21 a month. You get to switch out the pieces as often as you like. And so if you're really trendy and you always want to have on new jewelry, but you don't necessarily want to buy it, this is a great program. The price I can't really say because I have not tried any other jewelry subscription programs, so I have nothing to really compare it to. However, just based off the fact that if you're constantly buying jewelry because you want to have different pieces, but you don't necessarily want to have the catalog of pieces, this is a good program because you can always switch things out and you don't have to keep them. And you save a lot of money that way. In my case, I don't have to have quality pieces. I'm perfectly fine wearing a $12 necklace from Fashion Nova. So while I'll definitely try this out for the month, I'm not sure if I'll keep the service for $21 a month. Quite honestly, I have a 4-year-old stepson and a 3-month-old son. I'm constantly playing with the boys. They're really rough, and so we tend to play fight all the time. My 3-month-old is constantly pulling at the jewelry on my neck, so I'd actually like to go with something more sturdy, like the sterling silver or stainless steel necklaces that I wear on a day-to-day basis, or a $12 Fashion Nova necklace that can easily be replaced. A $54 necklace I can only wear on a special occasion because my infant child loves to tug at my jewelry. Probably can't rock this. But if I was a single gal and still going out on the regular, then this would be a program that I would keep. So these are my thoughts about Rocksbox. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave your comments below on what you think about this service. And also if you like the jewelry, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.